waste rug doctor, yeah? They said they were gonna be delivering it next Wednesday, yeah? It's just arrived here today, yeah? There's the rug doctor, and there's a cleaning solution, yeah? That goes with it, yeah? Okay? Once I've set it all up, yeah? I'll show you how it works, yeah? And see if it cleans up this rug and that. It needs cleaning and that. Got it set up and that, so it's just ready to go, yeah? I've just got to fill it up with the cleaning solution, yeah? Okay, and we'll get ready and start washing this rug, yeah? Okay, I'll show you how to do it, yeah? See, it's got the cleaning solution in there, and we're ready to go, yeah? I've just filled it up with detergent, yeah? Okay, and we'll see how we get on.
It's a lovely day, good over your way. Take the dogs to rice.
Just hang it out, yeah? I'm about to fill it up with detergent, yeah? And then I'll show you how to do it, yeah? Here we go then. We're going to fire it into action, yeah? Let's see what happens, yeah?
Never get there at this rate, it's cause I've been in jail. There's a man this morning, with questions nothing again. We can't have something clever, playing a carpentry. Person clever is better, my person clever. I'm so lonely, this way, something fucking slow. Crossing all the mountains, but you can't put me in my soul. Come on, come in, but that's something to the one. There's a way to take me, there's a talk to give me room. Go back to what you did, so it depends on me. We're so sorry, we're closing nothing on. Now it's just too late, you got a certain date. Don't remain as here,
Wax doctor, it's alright, yeah? It's cleaning up this rug like there's no tomorrow, yeah? The wastewater was filthy, yeah? It's like thick mud, yeah? Okay, bear in mind, I haven't washed this rug for years, yeah? For the last 5 years, yeah?